Hello everyone, today I'll show you what useful things you can make from a broken water meter. First, you need to take it apart. This is all done very easily. The pin installed in the cage needs to be removed first, we won't need it. And then drill out the hole with a 3mm drill bit. After that you need to mix a little bit of 2-component glue. Then take a 3mm pin and glue it into the impeller. Cut off the protruding part of the lid. You also need to drill a 0.118 inches through hole. From the inside of the lid, we put the rubber gasket and assemble everything back together. To be continued. We set aside the meter part. Then, using a soldering iron, we create a hole in the center of the dial cover. We also need a 12-volt motor, which you can buy on AliExpress. Insert the engine shaft into the cover and use a marker to mark the bolt locations. We make a hole in the same way. And now we screw the cover to the engine. Let's take the rod from the handle and cut off a small part of it, and then connect the engine shaft with the impeller. And we fix all this with the original clamp. Now we take a small piece of sewer pipe and use hot glue to attach it to the lid. Make several holes in the end cap for the same pipe. Glue the power supply connector into the central hole. Solder the wires from the connector to the motor, close the end cap, and the homemade device is finished. This is the pump we chose in the end. With a pump like this, you can transfer water and increase your house's water pressure by connecting it to the plumbing. Well, now watch how it all works. A low pressure hose is connected to a pump. Turning on the pump immediately increases the pressure. As you can see, the result is excellent. If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment, share with friends, and remember to subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Thank you all for watching, and goodbye to everyone.